Good morning everyone. Today Mr. Teddy has one activity for you all. But before starting the class, let's observe a minute of silence so that we can think smartly and concentrate better. So everyone, join your hands and close your eyes and observe a minute of silence. Now slowly rub your hands and cover your eyes and gently open your eyes. So Mr. Teddy, tell us what's the activity is about. Oh, Mr. Teddy is saying, let's quickly revise all the shapes which we have done till now. Children, do you remember how many shapes we have done till now? Let's recall it one by one. Which shape is this? This is a circle. Which shape is this? This is a circle. Now tell me, which shape is this? This is a square. Which shape is this? This is a square. And our last shape is... which shape is this? This is a triangle. Which shape is this? This is a triangle. Yes, Mr. Teddy, do you have anything to say to our kids? Oh, Mr. Teddy has one interesting activity for you all. But Mr. Teddy, we don't have anything right now. We only have few cutouts of these shapes which we have done till now. Can we do any activity with these? Oh right, Mr. Teddy is saying we can do a sorting activity with these cutouts. Let's find out how. We will sort out these shapes, like we will keep all the circles in our first tray and all the squares in a second tray and all the triangles in a third tray. I guess this will be a fun activity. Now let's see how we will do this activity. So all my shapes are mixed together over here in this box. Let's find out the shapes which we have. The first shape is a circle, which is yellow in color. Then the second shape is a square, which is orange in color. And the third shape is the triangle, which is pink in color. So now let's mix this up properly. Now what we have to do? So the activity is that we have to pick up each shape one by one and see if it is a circle or a square or a triangle, and then sort it out accordingly. So which shape is this? This is a circle. I will keep circle over here. Then which shape is this? This is a square. So I will keep this square piece over here. Now which shape is this? This is a triangle. So I will keep this triangle over here. Now let's pick up the next shape. Now let's pick up the next shape. This is a square. So I will keep the square over here. Again this is a square. So I will keep it over here. This is a triangle. So I will keep this triangle over here. Now this is a circle. So I will keep this circle over here. Oh look, I have formed a star over here. Yes, this is looking like a star. So let me pick up my next shape. Which shape is this? This is a square. So I will keep this square over here. Now this is a circle. So I will keep this circle over here. Again, this is a circle, so circle will go over here. Dear parents, sorting of objects not only helps the child to understand the differences or similarities among various objects, but it's also a good exercise for enhancing their concentration power and refines their cognitive development. See, now it's done. I've sorted out all the circles in this plate, all the squares in this plate, and all the triangles in this plate. Wow! Today you all learned an interesting activity related to different shapes. So, everyone, hurry up and try out this activity at home. And do post your pictures in our Google Classroom.